Hi there, Chris here. So I have some cool handcuffs here, and these are the ASP, and they are the forged, and these are the Ultras. Steel Ultra, this is what they came in. Beautiful ASPs, and they have double locking. We'll show that. Right now they're double locked. So to unlock them, you just shove your key in and you'll see the little yellow in the window come through. So that's done, and you continue around counterclockwise and we're open. And we'll lock them back up and double lock them. And here we are locked up because the window's clear. And I believe it's the same way. Actually, it's the opposite way, and we're open. So we're gonna lock those back up, get my key out, and then we'll put, and you can put the double lock on with the little spur there. So how can we open these? Well, we can take this cool ASP tool, and it is just a little pocket knife, but it has a handcuff key on it. Also has a little screwdriver and a little knife and a little cutting blade, a little saw. So let's see, I think we're gonna go this way. That took the double off, and then we're gonna keep going around and we're open. So I think, if I had somebody here to help me, besides Slinky, I think I would put these on, because I think I could, even with them on, I could get around here and affect, if they weren't too tight, and affect my escape. So, but let's see if Parker can do them. And I think Parker probably can. All right, this one is double locked up. So what I want to do is I want to go in with Parker, and I want to lean back and come around. I want to be deep in there. I missed him. So when you watch Coxie do this, he does it in about, a second and a half, both of them. He just has that. He's the guy. Well, maybe this one goes the other way. Okay. So we're unlocked there. So we're going to continue around with Parker, sweep around, and grab the paw and get him out. So I just opened these. I guess if I practice, I could be, do it in like 4 minutes instead of Coxie's, 4 seconds or 2 seconds. Anyway, these are very cool cuffs. Get all the way in there. I'll have to undo there. There we go. Very cool. So those are the ASPs, and what is the number on these? These are the ASP forged. Oh, here we go, model number. The 600. Awesome, they're nice, they're heavy. These are really nice cuffs. Anyway, there you go, those are the ASP 600s. Thanks for watching. These are going to get sent on. These are just on a layover here. So thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.